Hey, we are live. All right, so I had an exciting night. I got my desk set up at my house so I can work in comfort now. Today I have been working on some contract work, and then I've been trying to get this chat API deployment button working, and Jack just helped me a little with that. So hopefully after this call, it'll all work like magic and just go live when I push the button. So we will see. And that's all I've been doing. I know, I don't know if Johnny's going to join, but I'll wait to update for him until he, well, how about you, Mark?
I kind of just took a mental break the later half of yesterday and today. It's my wife's birthday today, so I didn't really do much anything. I needed to take a day off of code because I'm getting pretty sick of looking at code. So
I think your finger's over the mic.
Oh, sorry. I'm just saying I was getting really sick and burnt out of coding, and I needed to take a break, and I feel much better now. And then I had a call with Evan, and we did a student interview, and we got some good things lined up coming out soon, iOS 11 and things like that, Swift 4. So we just did some chatting about that, but that's the deal.
Sweet, man. Cool. Jason.
Yo, just slamming my brain out on the subscribe page, just working on the pricing cards component, and yeah. Mark says I'm becoming a real developer. I've worn the same clothes for 3 days in a row. I haven't showered for 2 days, and I never do my hair anymore. So, feeling pretty good.
You were doing that since I knew you.
Oh. Maybe before I just did my hair now, though.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Good work, man.
I did, and then, just same old emails.
Sweet, man.
Yeah.
Nice job. Jack Attack.
Yeah, I don't really have much to report. I've been forced to kind of take a break since last Saturday evening, I guess. We had some tornadoes and thunderstorms come through here, and we had 90 plus power poles snapped in half, and
wow,
pretty much spent all week getting people's power back on and all that. And anyway, I did manage to help Mark with the website briefly and look at some stuff for Jacob tonight. So I'm about ready to get back into it and jump on the Trello cards. So that's about all I've got.
Awesome, man. Sweet, man. Glad we have you back.
Glad to be back, man. It's been a lot of sleepless nights.
Yeah, that sucks.
How often does something of that magnitude happen over there, Jack?
We have storms every year, but to that magnitude we had, it's about once every 5 to 10 years, that bad.
Wow.
And then in 2009, we had an ice storm come through, which that was before I started there, but my grandfather retired from there, and in 2009 we had an ice storm come through that practically took out the whole system, and they said that was a once in a lifetime event. But they had to rebuild like 85% of the whole system. So
Dang.
people were without power for about 3 weeks.
Hey, Jack.
That's insane.
I always wondered, you talk about your former police days. Like, I want to know what it sounds like when you pull somebody over. So, like, I want you to show me your license and registration. Let me hear your police voice.
Man, I was a good cop. I wasn't the rear end about things. I might have been when I first started, but by the end I was pretty mellow. I was the one that would be like, just slow it down. Don't do that in front of me or something like that,
Oh, you were a cool cop.
Unless it was just blatantly obvious,
One time I had a cop ask me she was like, do you know how fast you were going? And I was like, do you mean before or after I saw you? It did not take that too well.
I would laugh if I was a cop and pulled someone over and they said that to me.
Yeah, but you still give them a ticket.
No, usually if someone
I
can
don't
make
know,
you
it
laugh
depends.
pretty good, they won't give you a ticket, or at least I wouldn't.
Uh,
I'll tell you a story sometime about this woman the guy pulled over one time that he just let her go. It was so funny. I can't say it on camera though.
Oh boy.
I was
All
never
right.
a Garrison MP, so I wouldn't know about like pulling people over and stuff.
That was a long time ago. That was 98 when I left. So
I was still practically in diapers. Not really. All right, Hector.
Working on the character, the female character. I showed some textures and stuff yesterday, some screenshots. I'll have it definitely by Monday, so I'll be working over the weekend. I feel like this could be a lot more polished than what I have right now.
Cool, man. Looking forward to seeing it.
Yeah, and was it Mark and I talked about some cool stuff after Monday to do, so people can have like access to things. But we'll discuss that when it's ready to announce. So
Nice.
just a little
All right,
teaser.
sounds good. Evan.
What's up, guys? I apologize for the noise, but basically it was a good day. Like Mark said, we had a quick call. Did a student summit interview, which is really good. 16-year-old with 16 apps in the App Store, one for every year he's been alive. And let's see what else I did. I did the AMA on Discord live with Jake. That went really, really well. I think we should do those monthly. I think it really engaged the community. Jake, you were there too. Yeah, just did some design stuff for the Mac app. Sent it over to Johnny for when subscriptions come out. But that's it's pretty much my day. It's a good day.
Sweet, man. Good work. Johnny B.
Yo, just finishing up putting the final touches on the chat app. It's looking good. So yeah, just waiting for Jacob to help me get it deployed and everything. Yeah, so that's going good. How's that coming, Jacob? Did you already report?
I'm really close. Jack was just helping me with some stuff, so I have some stuff to test right after this call, and hopefully it's just going to run perfectly.
Sweet.
But yeah, I think that's everything. So I'll get back to work, and I will talk to you guys later.
Later.
Later, y'all.
Good work,
Later,
everybody.
Have a good weekend.